Why selling puts on Riot and Skillz might just be a great idea. Stay tuned, you really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be discussing Riot blockchain and Skillz as well, okay, and why selling puts on these two companies might be a very good idea at the moment, and I'm going to explain to you why on each one, okay. Just a reminder, if you're not following us on Twitter, make sure you follow us there at Investing OG, okay. On Twitter we give out plays, give out information, stuff that will help you in your trading, in your trading or whenever you're trading. I think a lot of the information that we give out, we retweet tweets, just trying to update all kinds of information, okay, that I think can be very useful in your trading. With that, guys, I want to get into this video and I want to show you why we think Riot and Skillz are two companies where you can sell puts at the moment and make a pretty good income off of it. Let me start off with Riot here, okay. With Riot, and the reason why we are selling puts right now is because the market is so volatile, okay. One day it's up, the other day is down. We want to protect ourselves. We kind of want to hedge our investments here, and selling puts is a great way to hedge your investment, and I'm going to show you how and why on this video. We've done other videos on selling puts and selling calls, which is majority of the time that we're investing. That's what we do, okay. But I want to explain to you why right now I'm choosing Riot and Skillz as two top plays. Okay, let me start off with Riot, okay, and Skillz. But the reason why we chose these two are because just like Microvision, which we did a video on before, these two companies right now are paying really great premiums on puts and on calls. So therefore we try to get the most for our money, okay. Whenever you invest, you're kind of trying to think about it and say, you know what, where can I make more and what's a smart investment opportunity. We both know that Riot and Skillz have both been beaten down greatly, but we're going to show you in each one why it's precisely we're choosing these two companies, okay. So let me start off with Riot here. If you go to your puts, we're looking at the August 20 put, sell a put on Riot. So you choose sell put, and they're going to give you different ones here, right? So we're going to start off with with one that I'm interested in, and if Riot falls a little bit, I think I'm jumping on. I'm thinking of jumping on this, okay? I'm looking at the either the $24 or the $25 put. If we go with the $25 put, we're going with the $7.55 premium, okay. That's a premium that you receive when you sell a call or a put. You receive a premium, okay. In turn, for that, you need to place your collateral. So Robinhood will keep, or Webull will hold your collateral for you. In this case, 25 times 100, because it's 100 shares, that would be your collateral, okay. So it'll be $2,500 that you're putting up as collateral. In turn, for placing that collateral, they're giving you like a rental fee. They're giving you an upfront premium, a commission, whatever you want to call it, of $755 with this. So $755 is what you would receive, okay, upfront for placing your $2,500 collateral. Now, why do I say, or why do we like doing these plays? Well, we know that if the market continues to be volatile, and say, for example, the market starts dropping again, which we've already been for the past couple of months, with the market has been dropping, but say it keeps dropping more. Let's look at the 6-month chart on Riot, okay. And I drew this line for you guys here because this support here of 2068 is a support that goes all the way back for like 6 months, okay. When we're looking at this price for Riot, 2068, as being a big support for it, okay, then I go back to my Riot option here and I look at this number, the break-even price, okay. So this is giving us a break-even of 1715. What does that mean? Now, say for example, if Riot by August 20th were to be under $24, by that time, this would be the price that you would be basically, you know, that's your break even, because remember, you got this 1745, now you got this 755 up front. But if I add 755, if I subtract, I'm sorry, 755 from 25, this would really be the price that I would be paying for these Riot shares, which is 1745, which is a lot less than that support. So I'm protecting myself from downward pressure on the stock. Now, say for example, the next couple of days, the next week or so, you know what, Riot Bitcoin decides to keep going up. Well, guess what, guys? This premium, like we've discussed previously, this premium will become less, and I could close out my position. As the price of Riot continues to go upwards, this premium will continue to go downwards. What does that mean? Basically, I can close my position. Give you an idea. If, say for example, Riot goes up $10 in the next week or 2 weeks or whatever it is, then this premium is pretty much going to be evaporated, because now it's going to be a very small premium, and therefore I can close out my position by paying that premium and closing out the position. And basically, I made that difference. Okay, so you're protecting yourself on the bottom side just in case the market continues to go downward, and you're also setting yourself up nicely upward, right? So if the market goes upward and the stock goes upward, then you're setting yourself up nicely for a nice profit. Close out your position and you could repeat it again. Okay, so that was one. That was the Riot. Now for the next one that I'm going to show you, we're going to go into Skillz. The reason why we jumped on both of these, or we're looking at them, and I'm thinking about both of them, is because Skillz also offers a nice premium on the same, almost the same call. Okay, we're looking at the sell a put August 20th. Okay, and we're looking at, I was thinking of doing this one, the 1750 strike price. Okay, so if Skillz by August 20th is under 1750, you are assigned these shares of stock for that price. Okay, it's a 1750 put. Okay, and for that you would be receiving upfront $470 at the current price. Okay, $470. So basically you're saying that you're going to be making 30% on a trade upfront given to you, and you can invest that money in whatever you like. Okay, you could buy more shares of stock, you could hold the cash, you could whatever it is that you want to do. But that's the beauty of selling puts in this market. Now, the current price on Skillz, the current price is 1516. Okay, so 1516 is actually less than 1750, correct? But we're not really looking at 1750, because the number that you really want to look at is at this number, 1280. Okay, this is your break-even price. That means that if you were to end up with these shares of stock in August, you would actually not be paying 1750, you would be paying 1280, because remember, you received a premium of $470 way back. Okay, so that's a beautiful thing. You get to hedge your investment here. You're protecting yourself on the downside, and you're making money if the stock goes up, because just stock, you know what, Skillz moves a lot as well. So just think, Skillz was just at what, 20 something dollars a couple weeks ago. So Skillz could do it all over again. Skillz could run up to 20 bucks, it could run up to 30. I've seen it go all the way up to about 40, $50. It moves fast. Okay, it can also go downward, but you're protecting yourself. That's why 1280, that's your break-even price. And if you compare that to this Skillz right here, we have a very, very, very good support of 1240. So 1240 is right here, and this support runs all the way over here, guys. This support will run all the way till about November or December of last year. Okay, so that shows you how strong of a support it is. So it's kind of giving you an idea, you know what, if it does go down and I can get it at 1245 as my break even, wow, that's pretty good, because this 1280 support has been there for a very long time. So you're kind of hedging your bet with selling puts, and it's a great way. It's a way that we've been doing it. We closed our position on Microvision a couple of days back, right before the market ended up dipping again. So we made a nice profit on that. We update everything on our Twitter at InvestingOG. With that, guys, found any of this information informative, please like and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell, so that way you can get these notifications on the plays that we're doing. But because YouTube takes a little bit of time to edit the video, load up the video, put it out there for you guys to see. Make sure you're following us on Twitter at InvestingOG. With that, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.